Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In today's rapidly evolving world, ensuring the safety and security of our homes and businesses is paramount. Video surveillance sets have emerged as a critical component in the modern security landscape, offering unparalleled peace of mind and real-time monitoring capabilities. These systems, equipped with advanced cameras, recording devices, and often integrated with smart technology, provide a robust solution to deter crime, monitor activities, and safeguard valuable assets. Whether for residential or commercial use, the right video surveillance set can significantly enhance security measures, allowing users to keep a vigilant eye on their property from anywhere in the world. As we delve into the top video surveillance sets available on the market, it's essential to understand the features and benefits that make these systems indispensable in our quest for safety and security. Number 5. Smar WN1908FS6NXK300B Video Surveillance Set. The Smar WN1908FS6NXK300B is a versatile video surveillance set designed to provide reliable monitoring for various applications, including home security, small businesses, and office environments. With its 8-channel NVR and two 5MP cameras, it offers robust coverage and sharp image quality. The Smar WN1908FS6NXK300B video surveillance set offers a comprehensive solution for monitoring and securing your property. With its advanced features, high-resolution cameras, and user-friendly design, it provides peace of mind and reliable protection against potential threats. Whether for residential or commercial use, this surveillance system delivers excellent performance and value for money. Number 4. Hiseeu WK4HD203 Video Surveillance Set. The Hiseeu WK4HD203 Video Surveillance Set is a comprehensive security solution that offers advanced features for both indoor and outdoor monitoring. With its 8-channel video input capability and high-resolution 1080p cameras, this system provides crisp and clear footage for enhanced surveillance. One of the standout features of this surveillance set is its compatibility with the Alexa smart home platform, allowing users to seamlessly integrate it into their existing smart home ecosystem for added convenience and control. The cameras included in this set feature a durable metal shell construction, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. They also boast impressive day and night vision capabilities, ensuring reliable monitoring regardless of the time of day or lighting conditions. Number 3. Smar WN1908F4Q13X300 Video Surveillance Set. The Smar WN1908F4Q13X300 Video Surveillance Set offers a comprehensive solution for home or business security needs. With its advanced features and robust design, it stands out as a reliable choice in the realm of surveillance systems. One of the most notable aspects of this surveillance set is its 8-channel video input capability, allowing for comprehensive coverage of your property. The cameras boast a high resolution of 3MP, ensuring clear and detailed footage. Additionally, the system supports a TV system of NTSC, ensuring compatibility with various display devices. The set includes two PCS of cameras, each equipped with full-color night vision, infrared night vision, and smart night vision capabilities, ensuring round-the-clock surveillance in any lighting conditions. The inclusion of face detection and humanoid detection adds an extra layer of security, alerting users to any suspicious activity. Number 2. H.View Video Surveillance Set. The H.View Video Surveillance Set, featuring the XM500WF model, is a comprehensive and reliable security solution for both residential and commercial settings. Boasting advanced features and robust specifications, this surveillance system offers peace of mind and enhanced security for your property. First and foremost, the system supports up to 8 channels of video input, allowing for extensive coverage of your premises. With a resolution of 5MP, the recorded footage is crisp and detailed, providing clear imagery for effective monitoring and surveillance. The inclusion of NTSC TV system ensures compatibility with various display devices, enhancing flexibility in setup and usage. The package comes with 4 IP66 waterproof cameras, ensuring durability and reliability even in challenging weather conditions. The waterproof rating guarantees protection against dust and water ingress, making these cameras suitable for outdoor deployment. Additionally, each camera is equipped with a built-in microphone, enabling audio monitoring and recording for a comprehensive surveillance experience. Number 1. Techage 605GI80N Video Surveillance Set. The Techage 605GI80N Video Surveillance Set offers robust security solutions with advanced features, tailored to meet your surveillance needs. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, this system provides peace of mind for both residential and commercial environments. First and foremost, the video input of 8 channels allows for comprehensive coverage, ensuring every corner of your property is monitored effectively. The high-resolution 8MP cameras deliver crystal-clear imagery, capturing every detail with remarkable clarity. Whether it's day or night, the IP66 waterproof cameras provide reliable performance, even in challenging outdoor conditions. Installation is hassle-free thanks to the Power over Ethernet (PoE) feature, which simplifies cable management and ensures a stable connection. The included 20M cable length provides flexibility in camera placement, allowing you to customize your surveillance setup according to your specific requirements. Thanks for watching this video.